What's up, y'all? It's your boy Q. Episode 6. A little polarized, slow. I'm sure y'all probably like, bro, where you been at? You ain't been posting. Yada, 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 man. I just worked 20 days straight. No day off. I got to work tomorrow, actually. And this is the day before y'all see me go out there. I'm about to prep the bike again. Obviously, do oil filter change, chain the lube up, all that, clean it, yada, yada. But today, we got something new. I got the oil change kit in for the Husky. Got some brake cleaner. We got some new product we're trying out today. Some Rev X. It's only $20 for this. And if you haven't seen it in Motocross Action magazine, I believe, they tested this out on this exact bike with no radiators on the bike and no water pump, and still didn't have any kind of catastrophic engine damage, and saw significant horsepower increase and lower temperatures. So definitely interested in checking that out. And also because the Husky's kind of running hot in the desert, you know, with these triple digit heats, we're gonna do a coolant swap, run some engine ice. So without any more introduction, let's get to business. And yeah, I'm gonna be wearing the vest, all that, get you guys POV. Got needle nose pliers, T-handles, pretty much simple stuff. I got some old jugs over here. One for the wool and one for the coolant. So yeah, let's get to it. First step to get into the oil change is you're gonna take off your skid plate here. So I had to get an extension for the far side, but you got a bolt here and one down here, right there. To get there, you can access drain bolt here, the screen there, and your oil filter there. Now this side is a little tricky, so I had to get the extension, because if you look here behind the header, back in here, so we can get the right angle, right there, up in there, right there, focus the camera, right there is where your skid plate ties into the frame. It's a little tricky to get there. It's taking a little second because obviously this is my first time doing this, but progress not perfected, right? So anyway, once you get that done, the rest is pretty simple. You know, make sure you got you some brake cleaner for the screen. So I just got some basic O'Reilly's $4.99 can, nothing too crazy. Spray it, let it air dry, and take your filter out. And my buddy AJ suggests that you get some oil in all the grooves and saturate it pretty well before you put the filter back in up here. So that's what we're gonna do. I trust him, he's a pretty smart guy, and he hasn't done me wrong yet. So without any more talking, I'm just gonna get to it. I'm probably not gonna wear the vest so it's not in the way while I'm doing this. So if the angle's not the best, just bear with me, folks. GoPro coming soon, I promise. But yeah, anyway, first oil change, 2023 FC 450 Rockstar Edition.
First time breaking that seal, a little tight. Should get a little more wool. This right here, for sure. Oh yeah. almost some brake cleaner too. So this all needs to dry out. And always, as you can see, keep your fucking rag.
Alright, on to the final part. Gonna take the filter out, oil it up, put it back in, true everything up, fire it up. Bolts on in place, everything's tightened up and true in the bike. Easy part. Best part about this, it already comes pre-measured out, so there's no guessing. So you really just pour it all in. That simple. Got the oil draining in there. Don't let that do that. Make sure you ain't got no dripping oil anywhere. This is all obviously from the oil change. How we looking over here? So far, good. No oils, no drips. Everything seems to be tightened up good. So, only one last part. Last part of the oil change. Add the Rev X. Now this is an additive that's supposed to find all the points that are wearing and tearing in the bike, running excessively hot, to help them run cool, improve your whole shop performance. And this also does not work if you have the Recluse auto style clutches, by the way. But this bike only comes with a cover. It doesn't actually have a Recluse clutch in it yet. That is something I'll do later on, after obviously, you know, I get the header pipe. Yeah. Doesn't look like I'll get to wash bay today, but at least I'm gonna do this. Drain the coolant right here in a second. And yeah, oil change is done. So she's ready to rock. Just gonna get this new coolant in her and she'll be good as new. All right, last step of the maintenance tonight. I'm gonna be doing a coolant drain. Take off this right here. This one bolt, which 8. Got some engine ice. We're swapping in. Trying to make the bike run a little cooler. As you can see, we got some pinky, stinky in there. Yeah. I'll swap this out here. Want some of that strawberry kiwi? Take a sip. Yeah, as you can see, this is why we call it Look Pro. Ride slow, baby, because we're really just doing this the best way we can, any way we can. Yeah. So yeah, give the bike a little tilt. Make sure we get all the coolant out of it. I'm sure majority of it's on the fucking ground though. But progress, not perfection, right guys? So anyway, yeah. Now I'm about to get a bottle of water and flush the system. Because engine ice does not mix with any other kind of coolants. So you need to make sure you always flush your system if you're going to swap to the engine ice. But like I said before, my buddy AJ suggested this. He's a pretty smart guy. He knows his shit pretty well. And if he uses something, he usually stands by it. If it's trash, he'll tell me it's trash if he's used it before. So we're going to give this a shot. Hopefully with that and the Rev X in the bike now, it'll help the bike stay a little cooler, run a little cooler, and keep making power. Well, let's get to that bottle of your basic drinking water. Ready your caps off. And we're just gonna pour some water in there. Make sure we got nothing but water coming out the coolant system. Flushing it out pretty good, I'd say. We got nothing but water coming out. All that out of there, good. Like I said, guys, I'm not a professional, but I at least do the best I can do. So, any tips or tricks you guys know any better, feel free to leave me a comment down below. And if you like this content, make sure you subscribe and like the video. I do appreciate all you guys that have watched all my videos so far. And there's some more. So, can't thank you guys enough for real. Anyway, make sure you don't lose this washer here on top because you need that. But yeah, go ahead, give it a hand tighten first so you don't cross thread any of your bolts. Because you do not want to have that issue out on the trail or the track with shit leaking out your bike because you cross thread something or fucking blowing it up because you have no coolant and it's leaked all out. Do that, got it nice and hand tight snug. Take a T-handle, go ahead and just snug her up there real good. I always go a little bit past hand tight just to be safe. In there, nice and good. That's good. And now for the main attraction. Engine ice. Yes, so before any of you guys ask, I did take this funnel inside and clean it, wash it out good, and dry it out. So make sure I'm not getting any oil in my radiators. Anyway, got the bolt in, cap off the engine ice. Let's go ahead and just pour it in nice and slow. Doing this one-handedly is so aggravating.
Now, the bike only holds about, I'd say, 0.94, the manual said, of a liter in the radiator, so you don't want to pour too much in overfill it. You also don't want to pour too much and flood it out because you gotta let it drain to the other side over here. So it's two radiators together.
Alright, we got the coolant in, got the oil change done. Let's fire up. Started up, everything checked okay. Coolant levels are fine. That's enough coolant. Come down here and check the looking glass. See what we got. Glass. Seem to be alright. Everything seems to be full, nice gold color in there. So Oil's good, coolant's good. I say we did a successful job on our first oil change and coolant change. So appreciate you guys for watching, and yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna do an oil filter or air filter swap. Yeah, sorry, it's been a long day. Do an air filter swap tomorrow, and I'm probably not gonna clean her. Probably just gonna do the air filter swap, go ride when I get off work, and yeah. So episode 6. Hope you guys enjoy so far. Not gonna be doing too much talking after this. Just gonna be riding. So let's get to it. All right, y'all. It's the next day. I'm out here. Had to work again today, unfortunately. Like 21 days straight or something, I think. So I didn't get out here in time to ride with everybody else. We're still gonna get some seat time in, test out the engine ice on the bike, and we're gonna test out the Rev X Oil additive. Also, I want to give a shout out to my girl Caitlin with Crown and Customs. Hit her up in Brooksville, Florida if y'all need any kind of decals, cups, ashtrays, keychains, whatever. My girl's got it, and she does decent work. I mean, check it out. It looks good on the back of the helmet. So make sure y'all hit her up and check her out. I just want to make sure I got a little shout out in. But yeah, anyway, fixing to go here and just ride. I'm not going to be talking too much. So yeah, let's get it. Yee!